Welcome back. We are still on the show, but this time in Anambra State, where the Chief Executive Officer of John Bosco Onukwo Foundation, that's High Chief John Bosco Onukwo, formally handed over the newly built Music Academy to the Basilica of the Most Holy Trinity Onitsha, and also dedication of this child. Take a look.
At this time every year, the Chief Executive Officer of John Bosco Onukwo Foundation, High Chief John Bosco Onukwo, always has something to celebrate. This year, it's a double celebration, which began with the dedication of his child, John Bosco Onukwo Jr. Almighty. The event took place at the chapel of the Basilica of the Most Holy Trinity, Onitsha, in Anambra State, presided over by the Archbishop of the Ecclesiastical Province on the Niger, Most Reverend Valerian Okeke. They are joined by their friends and other family members at a special Thanksgiving. Next is the dedication of the new Archbishop Valerian Okeke Music Academy, built by the John Bosco Onukwo Foundation and handed over to the church.
On behalf of my wife and the entire Onukwo family, we say to our Lord Bishop, Sacedos Dei, Ecce Sacedos Magnum, Secundum Ordinam Lecti Sade. I give you this key in appreciation and thanksgiving to God for what He has been doing for me, and pray that this is the beginning of my humanity to mankind. God bless you all.
Stella Christi, good evening now. Nafa etonibu flegozi Chineke nna Obala na Monso.
After the dedication, a sculpture of the Archbishop is unveiled.
Oh, wonderful. Kanyabu.
Members of the Music Academy play their part at this event, performing in brightly colored attires.
let them come and register and serve God and get also the benefits of, what will I call it? Empowerment. So I'm happy about what is happening today.
Felicitate with my friend, my brother, John Bosco Onunkwo, on this wonderful edifice he put up here in Holy Trinity. First of all, music is life, music is enjoyment, and I commend him for deeming it fit to put up this wonderful edifice for the people of Onitsha and the people of Anambra to come here and experience a different thing altogether. This is first of its kind and is worthy of emulation.
For High Chief John Bosco Onunkwo, it's an expression of thanksgiving to God for bringing to reality a journey which began 10 months ago. He is excited that the complex will nurture the kids to be the best they can be.
I was motivated because I saw a young group of people singing, young talents, filtered voice, and I discovered they don't have a house. These are children of this archdiocese who are practicing here, giving us music in different lyrics. So I said, no, let me sow a seed of establishing them a house so that here there's record rebel and every other thing required in music industry so that their talents can be detonated. It's a capacity building house, it's a donation to the church, it's a donation to God, it's to make a memorial with God. So that's why I'm here. It's one of the things my foundation is doing. We're into agriculture, we're into education, we're into empowerment. Now we are sowing a seed for God.
The stage is formally set for the young artists in the Music Academy to perform and entertain the people. Also on the list of entertainers is high life sensation Flavor, who thrills the audience. This is only the beginning, according to High Chief John Bosco Onunkwo, who vows to remain committed in investing in human capacity development, the surest way, according to him, to empower individuals and create employment.
All right, well done to him. But just before we go, it's important to state again that while we celebrate, we should put health and safety into consideration. COVID-19 is real, so let's endeavor to observe all the health and safety protocol. Well, that's our package today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that you can watch this again on channelstv.com. Follow us on all our social media platforms and also reach us with the number right below. Thank you once again for watching. I'm Ogechukwu. Do have a lovely weekend.